Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unbagging my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of February. If you guys want to know what I got in my bag, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm up to video number 2 for the day. I am bringing these videos out back to back. For me, I can honestly say it works best for me when I just film a couple of videos a day because, as I say to you guys all the time, I do have a full-time job, and your girl be tired when she comes home. She be tired. So when I come home, I'm like, oh, I'm going to film. But by the time I shower, I'm like, I'm just going to lay in bed for a second. And before you know it, your girl is knocked out and it's time to go back to work the next day. So a lot of YouTubers, like, they do this full time and this is their full-time job. But me, I'm the new content creator. My channel isn't monetized. So your girl got to work. So I do this on my free time because I just love makeup. I'm passionate about makeup. And I love all the cool people that I've met on this channel. Like, I don't want to get like emotional and all teary-eyed, but like, you guys have no idea like how happy like me meeting new people, not meeting them obviously in person, but like via the internet, social media, YouTube. You know, I've made connections with some great people. Like, you guys, if I'm having a bad day, like, I'll get a message on my YouTube, Aisha, we love your videos. You're inspiring. You mean a lot to me. Like, that you guys are the reason why, like, I continue to do my channel. So thank you guys. You guys know who you are. All of my YouTubers who, you know, been ride or dies for day one, never missed a video, always commenting. Like, you guys mean the world to me, and that's why I continue to do what I do for you guys. So thank you everyone who's been patient with me. So for me, for right now, this works doing like 2 to 3 videos a day. So as I always say, if you guys see me with the same outfit on, it's not because I wear the same thing 3 times in a row, 2 times in a row. I'm literally just doing a video, turning the camera off, doing another video, turning the camera off, doing another video. So that way, like, if I'm tired, which most likely every day I'm always tired, I can just have everything preset for you guys. So hope that's okay for you guys, because I want to make sure I don't want to ever disappoint all my followers. Like, you guys mean the world to me. So thank you guys again for everyone, for all your love and support. Nothing goes unnoticed. I read every comment. I comment back to everybody. And thank you, everyone who's new has been subscribing to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys rock. I have the best YouTube family. All right, so with that being said, without me getting all sappy for all you guys, sorry about that. I just got a little emotional for a second. But let me reel myself back in. Alrighty, so now let's see what's in here. So I didn't get an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus because when you do the X, it kind of replaces that. Kind of like if you have BoxyCharm and you have Boxy Luxe, it'll replace your Boxy base box. This, the X replaced the Plus, so that's why I only have this for you guys this month and the X. So this is the bag. You guys know, all my subscribers know, like, I am not here for the bags. I'm so sorry. I mean, some of my subscribers said they like the bag, so it's good that some people like it. Everybody doesn't have to like everything. Me personally, it's not doing it for me. It's just not. And plus, your girl always has a lot of makeup, so this is never going to carry all the stuff that I carry anyway. This will carry, like, not even a quarter of what the stuff I carry. But anyway, this was supposed to be in the bag. Oh, there was something. I always forget that they always have, like, a brush in here. Hopefully I never throw this out forgetting that that's in here. But I got a brush. So this is, is this $12? I want to say this is 12. I was going to say 15. It used to be 10, now it's 12. For $12, like you guys, we get a lot of stuff in here. A lot. Like I think this is the one subscription. Like if I ever canceled all my subscriptions and I only kept one, I would keep this one, and I also would keep my Walmart beauty box because that one is like $5. Which I want to mention, they put the prices up to. I want to say they said it's going up to $6.88, but still, for what you get, for what you pay, you get a bang for your buck. Same thing with this. What you pay, you get a bang for your buck. Because I'm starting off winning with a brush, and this brush is so soft, guys. This is a Farrah brush. It's so soft. You can use it for your blush. You can use it for powder. Like, I am not scared to use brushes for multi-purpose reasons. So, super excited for my first item. Let's see if we have prices. We do have prices on here. It says my brush was $16. That already paid for my whole bag. That one thing. You guys see why I love makeup subscription boxes? Like, I mean, I was going to buy makeup anyway, but now at least I get more bang for my buck. Alrighty, so the next thing I got is from a brand called Rep. Did I say it right? R-E-P. It says an all-night moisturizer and relief mask. It's just, I don't know. You guys know how I feel about skincare, but it says sleeping mask. It says moisture-enriched, soothing nutrients that works to treat your skin overnight, provides intensive moisturization, nourishes, and smoothing effects. Wake up to dewy, soft, glowy skin. Not too shabby. My skin is like oily combination, so I normally don't like anything hydrating, but cool beans. This is a deluxe sample. But the full size of this is $32. The next thing I got is a toner, a hyaluronic toner. I was going to say hyaluronic acid, but it says black rice hyaluronic toner. And it says this toner helps condition and moisturize your skin while protecting for free radicals, pollution, and blue light. So, I mean, I like toners. I keep the toners. When I get toners, I do keep them. Because that you can switch off and on. It's just the moisturizers. I don't like to have a whole bunch because I don't like mixing my moisturizers. The next thing I got is a lid gloss, creamy eyeshadow in Zodiac by Ico. I do not like anything wet on my lids. I think that's weird to me. It looks great on people, but for me personally, I don't want to have any to me, it looks greasy, but that's just my opinion, so don't come for me. But I don't like the look for me, so I'm probably going to give this in my, giveaway. Like I said, my next giveaway is going to be when I hit 1,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. So I'm just going to keep piling up stuff, collecting stuff, and then when I hit 1,000 subscribers, they're going to get a huge array of stuff. I already have, a whole crate of stuff already. I just collect so much stuff from all these boxes, and honestly and truly, I really don't keep anything. I give most of my stuff away because you guys see my beauty room in my previous videos. You guys see I have a lot of stuff, and I really don't need anything else. I keep a few things here and there, but honestly and truly, when I'm giving myself away, I'm just giving everything. It's purging myself and just giving everything away. So, I can't wait to see who's going to be the winner for that. Stay tuned when we get there. Slowly getting there. Almost close to getting, 700. So, thank you guys, like I said, who's been subscribing. I still can't even believe I have 700, gonna have 700 subscribers because, back when I started, right when the pandemic started, I think I started in February or March. I think it was February. So it's going to be almost a year. I remember I'm like, oh my gosh, how am I going to get to 100? How are people going to find my page? And here I am now a year later, almost at 700. So very happy for that and very grateful. I got a Benefit 24-hour brow setter. It's clear, just set your brows into place. I love Benefit's products. Like, I use their brow pencil. Like, this is my OG. I use this every day. My favorite brow pencil to precisely my brow. And then, like, I use, they have something new. Where is it? Hold on. They have a brow micro filling pen, and I love their packaging. I love like the silver chrome, but like I love Benefit stuff, so I'm definitely going to use that. So excited for that. Yep, and that's about it. So that's all I got for 12 smackaroos. It says this bag was valued at $50. So for $12, you get a $50 value. Not too shabby. You honestly and truly, you can't go wrong. You really can't. So super excited. What am I gonna rate this bag today? I'm gonna give it I don't know. I'm only going to give it a 4 out of 10. I like the brush. I love the brush, and I love the brow setter, but, like, I really don't need a brow setter, and nobody's excited about a clear brow setter. I get excited for brushes, but I only like these two things. I'm not going to use this lid gloss. You guys know how I feel about skincare, so, yeah, I got 2 skincare items. I never loved the bag, but I don't do the subscriptions for the bags. Like I save these for when I do my giveaways. Like I keep the sets normally, like Ipsy, I do all the subscriptions, so I give them the set of the 3 bags, and I usually give like 2 of them. So somebody will have some nice bags, and if they don't need them, they can give it to their daughter or their mom or their friend or whatever. At least it'll get used. Yeah, and that's really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed through to the end of this video and you like my video, just give me a nice thumbs up. It really helps the channel, and I appreciate the love and support. Also, if you watch this video, you like my channel. Don't deny that. You love me, and I love you guys. So subscribe. Why not? Become a part of my YouTube family. We're growing strong. Every day growing strong. Keep showing your love and support, guys. Thank you guys so much again. And at the end of my videos, I always give you a sneak peek of what I'm going to do next. I have a whole bunch of hauls here, guys. Oh, this is heavy. Guys, I was in Ulta. Guys, look, do you guys see this? Look at this. Look at this, guys. I have a problem. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. I was shopping again in Ulta. I have an Ulta haul. I have a Five Below makeup haul that I gotta do for you guys. Like, guys, what is the matter with this? Ooh, you can't make this up, guys. You can't make this up. I want to do a battle of my Medusa bags because I didn't get to do the one for last month. So I'm going to do a comparison of last month and this month. I still have to do my Birchbox, but I think next video I'm going to do a battle of the UK boxes. I'm going to do my Look Fantastic box, and I'm going to do my Glossy box. They're both UK brands, and that way I could bring out 2 videos in one. Alrighty, guys, so that's really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys all in my video, and thank you guys so much for your love and support. Bye!